Hello, welcome all of you guys, BPC members. So, this training is on how to schedule social media posts from the system. And so, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to on the side to where it says marketing, and you want to make sure that you have all of your social medias connected. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit add account, and it's when you first do it, it's going to show Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, all of those things. And what it's going to do is you're going to click on that particular icon, and when you click that icon, it's going to ask you to sign in. So make sure that you either are already signed in on your computer or that you know your login. And once that you get signed in, you will be automatically connected and you'll get to where we're at right now, showing this account for example purposes. Um, and so as you can see, their social medias are already connected. And so after yours is connected, you're going to go to where it says new post. You're going to hit create new post. And depending on if how many accounts you want to be able to post, now depending on the sizing, you know that each social media platform has a particular sizing. For example, if you're going to be uploading videos, so you might want to take account of that. A video size for Instagram might not work for Facebook, but I do know that as far as pictures, pretty much the picture size will work. If you have the size of Instagram, it will work on Facebook and LinkedIn as well, from my knowledge. And so you're going to go ahead and click the accounts that you want to have it all be simultaneously added at the same time. So you can click that. And then what's cool about the system, as you can see here, you can bold text, you can add emojis, you're going to upload your image or video, and you can add hashtags. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add an image, and you're going to go ahead and hit upload from media library. Yes, I recommend creating a folder specifically for your post so that you can already have them all in there. So we're going to go ahead and let's click the post that we want to add. And so if you have not already gotten your caption typed out or written, or if you do, you can go ahead and just copy it and paste it here. Right click and hit paste. If not, the system has this cool um, technique that you can do where it says content AI. And so what you can do is you're going to give your content a title. So this is basically like a summary of what it is. So let's say um, I'm going to say pre-order book. And so you want to give it a brief description about what your post is about so that it can create a caption for you. So I'm just go ahead and get that. One second, I'm just going to get my description that I already have typed out. So if you want, or you can just type something there now, something that you can come up with. So I'm going to give it a sentence. We're going to go back and I'm going to type that description there. Now, your keywords are helpful because it's going to help. Usually the keywords that you type is going to be the hashtags that it gives it, and then also it helps bring it all together on what it's about. So, let's say healing, um, faith, because this book is about God helping you through the storm. Um, Hashtags maybe about your target audience, empowering women, um, new book. So you're going to put a few hashtags there, and then they have the option where you can hit the tone. depending on the tone that you want to portray, funny, casual. Yeah, so you're going to choose your tone. They have sarcastic, feminine, masculine, bold, dramatic, grumpy, secretive, respectful, persuasive. So whichever one. For this one, I'm going to say feminine. And it gives you a max of 5 variants. So basically 5 different social media caption options. So you can hit the max or the minimum, whatever you would like, just so you can see which one you like the best. And then we're going to go ahead and hit generate. And now, as you can see, it took us a couple seconds, but it has given you 5 different options that you can now use. So it says, I'm super excited to announce the upcoming release of He Guided Me Through the Storm, a powerful collection of stories from courageous women who have gone on journeys of faith, forgiveness, love, and healing and triumph. This book is sure to empower all amazing women. I can't wait for you to read it. And then it gave it some hashtags. So again, it tells you the amount of words that it has. I'm so excited to share with you this empowering book. Pre-order now, be inspired by their strength and resilience. To announce I have an upcoming book. This remarkable collective weaves together inspiring stories of faith, healing, and love. Be empowered by the stories of courage and triumph of these amazing women. I'm excited. So as you can see, you can pick the one that you like the best. You hit copy, hit continue. And so it's like, if you're not used to, or you just don't have the time to writing your captions, it's a starting point where you can go ahead and it can generate a caption for you. And of course, the more details you input in it, the more it'll give you. You can go ahead and add more to this, maybe include the link for them to pre-order. And so that would be how you would do it. And then, so one thing you can do is you hit the hashtag. And so where it says you can give it a name, and then you can enter in your hashtag, so you can actually save your list of hashtags. Let's say you should have like about 5 different lists, so you can switch it up for the algorithm on social media. So you can create your list, give it a name, enter the hashtags, and then you'll be able to hit save and apply. So when you go back, as you can see here, she already has some saved hashtags labeled happiness, healing, heal, self-care, book. So we'll go ahead and give the hashtags that we already assigned for the book when we're posting about the book. We'll hit apply. And as you can see, they're automatically already there. So that's how you can go ahead and save hashtag lists. It's another way to go ahead and save you time on top of you already scheduling your social media posts. And then, of course, if you want to have emojis, you can hit the emojis, and you can add any different emojis that you want into your caption just to give it more style. And if this wasn't an image you wanted to click here, this is how you would add a video instead. And so the cool thing is you can post it now, or you can schedule the post. And so you can pick the day and a specific time, and then you go ahead and schedule your post. And so you can have your social media management or yourself go ahead and schedule your post out for the entire week, for 2 weeks at a time, however many content and graphics that you already have created. And so this will allow you to save time and be able to focus on other things in your business because you have your social media graphics already scheduled out. So I hope that it's helpful. It's pretty simple once you have everything connected. Once you start getting the groove of things, like you said, you can use this to create your captions. You can save your hashtags in here so that you don't have to keep typing them in. And then that is how you can also do a follow-up comment. So the first comment that's going to show up, you can go ahead and type that in there, and that will be saved and sent out as well. So that is how you go ahead and schedule, create, and send out the posts. Again, you can post now, or you can schedule the post for a later time. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any additional questions, or if you would like to hire me to manage your social media, you can hit me up at Samantha@bookprofitsclub.com.